Yo, it's Midas. Let's talk about why crypto will crash this summer and why you should be buying these dips. Disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes. Make sure to always do your own research. So this is my reasoning as to why crypto will crash this summer. First of all, we have low summer liquidity with whales and traders on vacation or away from the offices. The trading volume will drop, making markets more volatile and vulnerable to sharp dips. We also have sell it in May and go away. This is a common phenomenon where investors often de-risk before summer, leading to weaker performance from May to September in both stocks and crypto. Finally, there's also regulatory and tax pressure, where tax season was in April, with the sell-offs and May and mid-year regulatory headlines will add extra downward pressure during May and June. So if we look at previous cycle crashes, the summer months, and we can take a look at Solana, for example. So in the blue lines from July to just the month of July, we can tell that the markets are very volatile. It's like kind of going up, kind of going back down. It's hard to predict the pattern. This is how I will foresee our crypto markets going to look like for this coming summer with the lower liquidity, lower volatility, and just lower volume entering the markets. We're going to see sort of this stagnant pattern. But I believe that eventually, once we go past the summertime, people are going back to work, especially in September, we're going to see a huge rebound, especially with the bull market coming in, the FOMC cutting rates, and a lot of bullish news. And let's talk about that now. So this is how you can leverage this temporary market crash during the summertime. So first of all, buy the dips. If Bitcoin even goes down to like 70K or 80K, I don't believe it will, but if it does, buy the dips. There's too much bullish news for crypto to crash or even Bitcoin to go to zero. And this is from more regulations on crypto. It's a lot seen as a safer investment. You can even see a lot of advertisements on Coinbase, BlackRock, just educating the public about how important Bitcoin is for our economy and educating people that don't know what Bitcoin is and what crypto is and how it's important to understand it. BlackRock and MicroStrategy are both continuing to purchase more Bitcoin. We now have a US national digital stockpile that holds Bitcoin or Solana, Cardano. Forgot the other coins, but those are some of the big two. Crypto is the future, whether you like it or not. It's being used in MasterCard payments, PayPal. A lot of those payment systems are now leveraging crypto and how fast it is to be able to send transactions on the blockchain. This is already revolutionary technology. And we are still in that 2025 bull run. If we were entering a bear market, you would not see these markets going up 20% in a day. You would just see the market overall trending downwards. And the only reason why it was trending downwards was because of Trump's uncertainty with the markets, you know, tariffing every other country. The FOMC will cut rates, and this is predicted in the next Fed meeting in June. Stay tuned for that. And I believe the markets will rebound in October. So don't hold cash. This is a perfect buying opportunity they do not want to miss. And here's why. So take a look at previous cycle rebounds. We have October, November, where October and November are both crucial months for crypto, where during bull runs like in 2021, the markets have rebounded. So you take a look from here, from July to January, in that period, that's like, October, September. In September, we see a bit of it's slowly going up. Then October just shoots right up. We're looking for that upwards trend, and I believe that will happen after the summer. So it's a crucial time to analyze the markets, understand what you want to get into, start entering your positions in anticipation for that upwards trend in October and November. And yeah, that's all I have for today. This is my reasoning as to why crypto will crash this summer and how to leverage this market crash by buying the dips. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.